Hello everyone and welcome back. My name is Patty. If this is your first time here, thank you for stopping by, for sticking around for a moment. Hello. And if you've been here before, if you've seen me before, if you've landed on my channel before, hey, how you doing? Welcome back. This is another late night video. It's all I seem to be able to do lately. And it's another caffeine-fueled one. So I might get a little chatty, but we're going to desperately try not to. I was advised recently by a very nice subscriber. Thank you. And we're going to try and move this along a little bit faster and just get to the point. Okay? So this is a Blinged Brushes mystery box. I've recorded this once already, and I deleted it once already, and it wasn't that it was a bad video. At least I don't think so. I never got to watch it. I tried to upload the video to my iPad to edit it, and I accidentally selected it and deleted it, and it deleted it from the card as well as my iPad. So here we go again. But this, they said it's a mystery box. It's not a mystery box. It's a mystery envelope. And if you've purchased Blinged Brushes in the past, you know that these are the special, pretty pink, Barbie pink envelopes that all of their Blinged Brushes arrive in. And I should know because I've purchased them in the past. One of the motivating factors for this channel was to have pretty brushes. One of my motivators to start recording was to buy those brushes and not use them until I was filming a video, or at least had filmed a few videos and uploaded them. So I've used them. This is the Bring on the Bling, and it is the rose gold barrel. And this was actually my second motivational present to myself. I bought the pretty cases, and I put the pretty stones in them from the Dollar Tree. But the cases I think I got from Amazon. But this was the second one I purchased. This was the first. This needs to be cleaned. Holy moly. This is the Starry Night. And probably my favorite brushes. I've used them. I've used several of the Bring on the Blinged ones. I've used the Starry Night ones several times. They've been washed. They make a lot of noise. But I'm in love. I really am. I mean, I'm a bit, just a bit, of a blush hoarder. Just shh, don't tell anybody. So when I saw that Blinged Brushes was going to have a mystery box, I had to buy it. I did, because I knew that there were some brushes that I didn't have. I know that Allie Dawson had released a collaboration with Blinged Brushes. Paige Corin had released a collaboration, and they recently did an Ice Queen. It wasn't a collaboration with anybody, at least I don't believe, but they're gorgeous. They're really, really pretty. The next color I'm hoping, and I'll collaborate with you. I have no idea who I am, but hey, why not? I'd love to see green ones, like beautiful emerald green, Slytherin green. Do a Harry Potter collab. I don't care. I would just love to see them. But as I said, I've filmed this once already, and it was probably too long of a video. I'll admit it. Probably better that it did delete, but it means that I've opened all of these packages, and they were discarded. So I fished out one. I found one, but all of the brushes were in singles like this. and they described what was in them. However, some of the Bring on the Blinged ones were in the Starry Night packages. And I'm not sure if it was intentional or accidental, but it made looking them up a little hard. Okay, so the first thing that I received, and you were advised when you purchased the mystery box, they're not available right now on the website. I think that they're listed as, well, it's not available, but on back order maybe? I'm not sure. The last time I checked, they were on back order. So, but on the description when you purchased them, it said that you would be receiving a bag, a makeup bag. And I actually received this one. This is the Allie Dawson bag. And it's a good size. It opens up, it's upside down, sorry. It's got a tassel, it's got the sparkles. I was surprised. It does actually come off of the bag. So it's like a sequin material, like not sequined, glitter material behind a mesh is the way that these were created. So I'm not in love with the bag. I mean, I think it's great that she did the collaboration with them. I thought that it was fantastic at the time. I was kind of broke at the time, so I didn't purchase any of her brushes, but I'm not in love with the bag. It's a decent size. I'm not going to get rid of it. If I were to, I would probably pass it along to family. So I've got nieces, younger nieces that love to play with makeup, love to watch videos, and they are willing to watch my videos even though they don't speak to me. They're 5 and I don't understand it. So, but they don't speak to me. But I bet you if I gave them some sparkly brushes, they would. So, along with the makeup bag, we also have brushes. One of the first brushes was this Bring on the Bling brush with the rose gold barrel, and this is an F5 brush, and it's considered a highlight brush. So, and they have a nice weight to them. I don't feel like they're gonna slide through my fingers when I'm doing my makeup. Some of the other ones have very slick handles, and I have a tendency to drop things, which isn't a good thing. But these have a pretty good grip, and I just think they're beautiful. So, and on the website you can actually purchase brushes separately. So if you just wanted to buy 1 or 2 to brighten up your day, go for it. I mean, they have sales all of the time. In fact, the Paige Corin collection is going to be available tomorrow, the 21st of July. I'm not sure if this will be up by then. Fingers crossed I get it edited quickly. But it'll be up, and they're offering, I believe, 25% off on their website. So check it out. I'm not sure if they'll combine that 25% with one of the creators' codes. I know I've used Paige's code in the past. With my other purchases, I probably used Allie at least once, and I think it doubled the discount. Not doubled, but it added an additional discount. So just try it out. You never know. Okay, the next brush is an Ice Queen. Look how pretty that is. It matches my eyes. Just a little. And this is the F52. And this is about a $28 brush if it's not on sale. So really, this is paying for half of the mystery box is this one brush. And it's a little spendy. I'm not gonna lie, it's a little spendy, but the quality is there, and they're just stunning. So it's a good investment. Okay, now we also have a Starry Night with a silver barrel. I don't have any of these. Didn't have any of the Ice Queens either. And this is an F1. Let's see if I wrote it down. And I didn't write this one down. How odd. It's a very fluffy brush, but this probably runs about $28 as well, because it's literally a little bit taller, a little bit fuller. So the brushes are not all the same lengths. Okay, now I have one of Paige's brushes, and this is very pretty too. And this is an F. My eyes don't want to work. And well, that is an F. I had all these written down. No, it's an E. It's an E25. I really should have my glasses on. I really don't want to wear my glasses. These are my glasses. They need to be cleaned. No, it says F25. I wrote it down wrong. This is a packer brush, and this runs about $16, but this is from the Paige Corn collection. This is also from that collection, and this is an E27, which is an angled liner brush, and this is about an $18 brush on the website when the sale's not running. Yeah, my glasses are just a bit dirty. Sorry. Okay, next we have another not Starry Nights, Bring on the Blinged silver barrel, and this is an E3, and I probably wrote, this is a blending brush, and this is about a $13 brush. And I have an Allie Dawson brush. How pretty is that too? That's Christmas trees and candy canes all over it. And this is an E33. E38. The glasses aren't working either. This is a flat liner brush, definer brush, and this is an $18 brush. We have another Bring on the Bling with a rose gold barrel. It's just so pretty. And this is an E1, and this is an angled blending brush. And this is an $18 brush. And finally, we have an E16. This is the Starry Night collection. And this is a $12 precision brush. And this is just, it just picks up the light so beautifully. But I really, really enjoyed this brush. It's one of my favorites. Now, along with the Allie Dawson bag, this is a $20 bag, which was on sale for $10 at the time. So if we weren't looking at the sales, it's a $50 box or bag, envelope, with a $200 value. So, is it worth it? Absolutely. Because I have spent much more on the full collections. And now I have an extra precision brush that I didn't have before. I have an extra liner brush that I didn't have before. And I know we all wash our brushes, but we all take our time doing it. And I have a lot of brushes. Not only of this variety, but of others that I've just received in different subscription boxes and purchased outright, and just when I find a pretty brush. But this, for $50, I think that this was well worth the value. And this is what she looks like. So we have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 brushes and a bag for $50. And that was from Blinged Brushes. So let me know in the comments if you've received the brushes, if you purchased the brushes in the past, if you like them, which is your favorite. If you're looking forward to their next mystery box, I am. I'm also looking forward to another reason to purchase more brushes. So, but if you like this type of content, please like and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. I am so stoked by my subscribers and how much love I've been given the last couple of days with the videos I've posted recently. So thank you once again for stopping by. Have a wonderful day, a great weekend, and I'll see you next time. Bye.